everyone, I am Avishek Dutta and today I have an exciting video for all you smartphone users. If you use a Redmi device, you should definitely watch this video till the end. Is your phone always lagging? Does your phone take too long to switch between apps? Are you worried that your phone may not be secure? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then watch till the end. Today I am bringing you some tips to help your phone's performance maximize and keep it safe from malware. Most of these tips will help you to boost any of smartphone users, but there are some hidden gems for Redmi users. So let's get started. Tip number 1. For better speed and smooth functioning, clean your apps. You can do this by going to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps. Here you can see which apps you need and which you do not. Also check what services you need and you do not need. Remove or disable the apps and services you do not need absolutely and uninstall the apps you absolutely do not need. Tip number 2. Next I'm going to show you very exciting thing. Most of the people do not tell you about this. Dual space, which is used to make two storage on the phone. So how can you do this? If you have a Redmi phone older than 7, go to the security app, then scroll down, then go to second space and click on it. It will apply some changes and it will take some time. If you have newer version than 7 or 7, go to the settings once, then go to search bar and search on it second space and then click on it, and it will take some time to apply the changes. By enabling this, you will get two accounts on your phone, similar to a computer. You can change this anytime and you can also delete this anytime you want. Tip number 3. Now, my next tip is to protect your phone from malware. Do not install any external antivirus or random antivirus. It is not needed. Most phones have their own way to protect themselves from malware. As long as you are installing apps from Google Play Store, which is secure, you do not need to worry. But if you use a phone for banking purposes and prefer an antivirus, I will recommend Quickly. Tip number 4. My next tip is linked to the previous one. Yes, you do not need any external antivirus, but there is one trend you always avoid. Do not open any APK file or unsecure apps on your smartphone. This can pose a serious threat on your smartphone. These files and apps can be used as a Trojan horse to install and run malware on your smartphone. You do not want your phone to end up like Troy, so make sure that the site you use is safe. In general, do not believe in ads that claim your phone has virus or try to offer an antivirus. These were main tips, but further, if you want to improve speed and avoid lagging, avoid installing external cleaners. It will in turn take your RAM and CPU space. And do not use heavy apps on your phone or run 2 or more apps in the background at the same time. And Do not leave running in background. Clean your recent tabs from time to time. Avoid using a high quality wallpaper or clean. Instead, use a black wallpaper to save battery. Regularly clean your browsing data and recently. These are some useful tips that I have tried and tested. Just wanted to share this with you all from one Android user to another. Do try them out and let me know if it helps you speed up your phone. Stay safe, keep your phone safe, and bye.
Yay!